Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure make.com to sync Google Calendar with no-code apps, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your make.com account. If you don't have an account, create one by visiting the make.com website. Once you're logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Look for the Create New Scenario button and click on it. In the scenario setup, search for Google Calendar in the apps list. Select Google Calendar and choose the desired trigger event, like watch events. Authorize make.com to access your Google Calendar account. Follow the prompts to sign in to your Google account if needed. Once authorized, select the calendar you want to sync from the drop-down menu. Next, set how often you want make.com to check for new events. Adjust any filters, if necessary, to specify which events to sync. After setting up the trigger, add another app by clicking the plus icon. Search for the no-code app you want to connect with Google Calendar. Select the appropriate action event for this app, such as create record or update item. Authorize this app by following the necessary prompts. Map the necessary fields from Google Calendar to the chosen no-code app. Make sure to match event details like title, date, and time accordingly. Once the mapping is complete, click on Save to store the scenario. To test the scenario, use the Run Once button. Make sure new events in Google Calendar trigger the actions in your chosen app. Check the logs for any errors or issues during the test. If everything works smoothly, click on the Schedule button to automate syncing. Set the desired frequency for the automation to run automatically. Finally, save your scenario and exit the scenario builder. Your make.com setup is now ready to synchronize Google Calendar with your no-code app seamlessly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.